So this is a picture of one of my brochures, and I use these when I'm networking some of my products. And I wanted to talk to you about for a second about how important it is to have a website as an independent welder. Being an owner, um, you can be able to post your products and your services as professional without having a storefront, because getting started you might not can't afford that storefront. So your goal would be to have a website, have brochures, information out where a person can contact you, and you can make money when you're sleeping. So at first I thought it wasn't important to have an official website. Oh, I got it on this site. Oh, I got it on this Google thing. Oh, it's on this Facebook alone, or this ad. All of those things are cool, but you must have an official website for your business. And to be honest with you, you're gonna start with one, but as you grow, you're gonna have several, because you start understanding the dynamics of it and how important it is. Once you get a product or a service, or you got something going, it's easy. You want to make it easy for people to find your services. Easy for someone to say, Google, I'm looking for this in the area. Siri, I'm looking for this. Alexis, I'm looking for this. You see what I'm saying? We get into that stage in technology, and if you don't have your print, you know what I mean, in this digital world, then your services might be grand, but people only going to look for it in certain ways. So no need to miss out on an opportunity to make money, a lot of money, and stay stable and grow your business, because you saying, oh, I don't need that, this is working. You need everything, because as long as technology is growing, there's going to be many ways to network and hustle, so you got to be able to be legit. And if you don't have a store right now, that's fine, because your goal is to have your storefront somewhere. You know what I mean? If you got a product, you want a storefront somewhere eventually. But until then, have your digital storefront up. That's the best way to go, because people will still network and trust your services from that site. And then eventually you can have your physical building and few buildings, or how many, whatever you want to do, your fleet. But you need that website. So it's very important. Even though you're investing in these, which I have, and this is fine, but without that website, this is no good. It's nothing. You see what I'm saying? Because I have to physically go out here and constantly network this. But once I have my official website up, and it's official and it's up there and it's going, I can have people leave testimonials. I can show my work. I can show the progress. I can make it simple. I can make the paying process simple. I can make the ordering process simple. I can connect it to other sites to be able to draw in other forms of traffic. You see what I'm saying? So it's very important to have this. So if you're an independent welder, or you're an independent owner, and you're trying to get started, you want to know one thing for sure to do: invest in this. And I would say, different people charge you different, prices to get your website up. You can do it yourself, but I would honestly say, make sure it's professional. You know what I mean? Because making it stand out and pop is important. So I would say, be willing to spend on a bare minimum $500. $500 should be your bare minimum, unless you got someone that you're working with. That's a good price, because you got to pay for the domain and all the other things, and the hosting for the year and all this good stuff, and all that is included. So you're probably paying a person $300, $250 to do it personally, and you pay for all of your other little gadgets and whatnot. So add it to your list this year. Add that to your list as soon as possible. All gone.